Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Darisa's Daily Detour, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty to lifestyle. And in today's video, we are finally here at the end of the year, and I am going to be discussing my 2018 favorites. As stuff is dropping on the floor as we speak. I have a really small table with everything on it sitting right next to me, but that's neither here nor there. Before we get started though, if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and do that. Please, I really appreciate all the support. And also, if you have not hit that notification bell yet, because I know a lot of you have not, because you are telling me that you guys aren't knowing when I'm uploading videos. That's how you're gonna know. And that notification bell is somewhere down below. It'll just be a bell and you just click that. You will know when I'm uploading videos. Lastly, make sure you like, comment, and share this video to anybody else that you think this information may be helpful for. So, without further ado, I don't want to ramble too long because it's going to be a long video, so I just want to go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, so we have finally ended 2018. When you see this video, yeah, I think it will be the day before New Year's Eve, and I am just in awe of how fast the year 2018 went. But while in 2018, I was enjoying a lot of different items that I want to bring to you guys, and I am so excited to share them with you. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the first item. So we're going to do this in categories. So the first item that we're going to do, we're going to start with makeup. So we're going to start with the beauty phase, and that's going to be the Morphe palette. This is the Morphe 9N blush palette. This is the one that just has the 9 different blushes in it. This color here is the one that I am wearing today, but these colors in general are just perfect for any kind of neutral look that you want to do. They're very pigmented. This is very affordable. I cannot remember the price. I would try my best to link it down below. But if you don't have anything by Morphe, this blush palette is awesome. This is my go-to palette. This has been my go-to palette for 2018, especially since I have reorganized and everything like that. So yeah, I have really been loving this one. Okay, and then while we're still on the category of makeup, let's talk about foundation. And the foundation that I have been using is the Bare Minerals foundation in matte. This is just the basic Bare Minerals that comes in the kit that you get. I don't know if you were on the bandwagon when everybody was getting the Bare Minerals kits, but this is one of my most favorites. I love this. This is perfect for everyday wear. The only con I would say about this is that it does have a lot of transfer, and I don't know if it stays on all day, but if you are just looking for a really light coverage, but you still want to look like you have something on your face, this is the perfect like go-to foundation for that reason. Even though it's powdery, it does pack a mean punch. So if you don't have any of the Bare Minerals powder foundation, I really suggest that for my people who like to have a natural look. Okay, and then the next item as far as makeup goes is going to be the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Dipped. This has been my holy grail like highlighting kit since I bought it maybe 2 years ago. And when I tell you that these highlighters, oh my goodness, are so gorgeous. So pigmented. I am in love with each and every last one of them. My favorite I would have to say is the between Moonstone and Bronze. I kind of sometimes mix the two of those. I don't really dig in the summer too much, but they are very pigmented. I'm not wearing it today, but this is just like when I'm going somewhere and I know I just want to have that real pop of a highlighter. This is what I pick. And all 2018, this has been coming back into my collection more often than not, so that's why I went ahead and included it in this video. Okay, and then while we're still on the topic of makeup, my gloss that I have been loving this year has been the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb that I just recently hauled. So I didn't have this for a long time in 2018, but while I did, I was really feeling this. This was like, yes, my holy grail. When I first tried it on, it just feels so good on the lips. It just gives your lips this extra color pop. It's beautiful. Now, I don't think it lasts very long in my opinion, but I don't think any glosses really do. But it has a really nice smell. It's really good. And I can't wait to try the new colors that she's come out with too. So 2018 ended with a bang because I got my hands on this baby. All right, so we're gonna move into fragrance. I only have one fragrance, which I have talked about in some past videos, and that's gonna be the Marc Jacobs Decadence fragrance. This here, first of all, I am in love with the packaging. This is just so cute to me. This smell is unlike anything I can describe. It's different. I don't have anything in my collection like this. So when I finally was able to purchase this closer to the end of 2018, I was so happy. But I had already had samples of this before. So this actually really can be a 2018 favorite. I just love this. This is the perfect scent for like a cross between a mature person and somebody who kind of just wants to, you know, have a nice little distinctive smell but doesn't want to do too much. Get your hands on this. I mean, some people don't like it. I don't know why, but if you can try it, smell it. I love it. I think it's worth it. I think it lasts a really long time throughout the day. I have to, when I've sprayed it and I put like maybe like a coat on that I've been wearing before, it still has the scent in it. So I just really love it. But I just, unfortunately, I'm not great at describing fragrances, but 2018 was definitely the year for this scent. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into apparel type items. I have a few items here and I'm trying to rush through here because I don't want this to be a real super long video, but I do want to get my point across on what I was loving. So the first item, this is going to be no surprise to any of you because I've talked about this item in other favorites videos, but of course it is my Louis Vuitton Key Clay. This item here, when I tell you, oh my goodness, it's so versatile. There's so much that can go in here. I'll show you guys again. Like, look at all these cards I have in here. I have not really even been carrying a purse, honestly, because I have this item now that kind of replaces that. So when I'm running in a store, sometimes you don't feel like, you know, having a full body bag with you. If you have pockets, this is all you need, to be quite honest. The price point is not horrible. I think it's maybe, I forgot, maybe like $200 or a little over $200. So it's not going to break the bank per se, but it's also not the cheapest item on the market. I get that, but it's worth it. It's so durable. Oh my goodness, like it's scratch resistant. It has this to hold your key. I don't really wear my keys on here, but you have that option as well. So when I bought this, I have not stopped I have not put this down. This has like been with me every day since I got it. I think I got this in the summertime. So yeah, 2018, really was loving this item here. Next item that you probably have seen in maybe like some vlogs or something like that, but that is going to be this headband right here. This is the Gucci Inspired. Let me go ahead and just say that now. This Gucci, I'm trying to, I don't know, sometimes I get a little mixed up which way it kind of turns in. But it's like this turban. And I just love this color scheme. This was perfect for the holidays. If you see any of my vlogs or anything, I'm always kind of wearing this. And I wear it other times, obviously, besides the holidays. But I just love this. I ordered this off Etsy maybe about a year ago now. I don't know, but I just know in 2018, I really got some use out of this item. It was perfect on days when I really didn't feel like curling my hair or something, but I wanted to give my outfit an extra pop. Love this. The price point of this, I want to say, was maybe like in the $20, $30 range because I refuse to spend $200 on a headband from Gucci when I can just get something that looks just as cute for the low. It's not like it has like, you know, fake labels on it or anything like that. So that's why I say it's Gucci inspired. But I just really loved this piece and I got a lot of use of it in 2018. All right, so then we're gonna go into shoes. I have two pairs of shoes here that I loved in 2018. And the first pair is a slide, and you guys probably have seen these or maybe not, but this is just the Tory Burch slide. I'm not sure if you guys were able to see the haul where I hauled these when I got these maybe last spring, but this was my go-to slide in the summer. Mainly, number one, it's all black. There's not a lot going on it. It's understated. So I mean, it does have the emblem here, but unless you are really into, you know, designer or luxury items, you probably wouldn't even know that this was a luxury item. So yeah, it just has the T here. The quality is great. It's excellent. They're so durable. They don't feel cheap. This is leather here. A lot of these other ones like Gucci and stuff, this is canvas. This is actually real leather here. The price point was not horrible. I want to say these were maybe like in the, maybe they were like $150. Not too crazy, but I love them. They were just so perfect. They were my go-to slide for the summer, and they will definitely be brought back out in 2019, but this was like a favorite all summer this year. The next item is an item that I'm not sure if I've ever put these in a favorites video. I feel like I've either mentioned them or talked about them, but I really can't remember, but this is the NMD Adidas. This Adidas here is so comfortable. I have wide feet. So a lot of shoes nowadays to me don't cater to, people with wide feet, which is me. But this shoe here does. I love it. I love the color. This goes with so much. So it's almost like a olive green brown color. So I love just throwing it on with my Adidas pants. When I had my surgery and I was out of work, this was my go-to shoe for pretty much the whole time I was out of work. When I just had to run an errand or something, I would just throw this on. It's perfect for fall. It's comfy. If you don't want to have on a full boot, but you still want to obviously not look like you're just wearing a spring sneaker or something like that, this is the perfect combination of colors. It was very versatile. I wear them to work. I wear them when I'm just running outside. I can work out in them. These are just the perfect shoe. I want to say that the price point on these was maybe, I kind of on sale. So maybe I spent like $130. They were a little up there because I know they normally retail for $170 and I definitely didn't pay that much. But they are a more expensive sneaker. I think they're worth it though, because like I said, I got so much wearing out of these. This was definitely, I would honestly say, probably my most worn shoe in 2018. But yeah, I just love them. All right, so we're nearing the end, guys, I promise. All right, so last 3 items are going to just be some miscellaneous items, which you guys are probably already familiar with. The first one is going to be this notebook that I've been taking all my notes in. This is my Hustle Journal by Myleik Teele. I don't know if you guys are familiar with her. I love her. She has an awesome podcast that I listen to. She just gives awesome quotes, very motivational, very inspirational as well. But, she really kind of just makes you want to level up, to be quite honest. That's really all I could say. But I purchased this Hustle Journal actually in 2017. But 2018, I feel like I got more use out of it because I just was doing all my notes for my YouTube videos. I was able to write out my goals in here. The paper in here is just really good quality. I don't know if she still has this particular journal on her site. Like I said, I did get it in 17, but she makes really good journals. If you're really into not even like a journal, I would say, but I mean, even she has first few pages, she gives kind of like some little key pointers and stuff like that. But yeah, I really like this item. So yeah, if you can get your hands on any of her products, I know she makes journals. I think she may make planners too. I'm not 100% sure, but if you could visit her site, I'll try to link that down below too, if I remember. Yeah, I really, really was enjoying this item this year. Alrighty, and then I keep wanting to say the last item, but it's not really the last item. Sorry. All right, second to last item is going to be my speaker, my JBL speaker. Yes, I love this. I am so excited to travel with this in 2019 because it's so perfect. Like, you're on a little trip and you in a hotel room and y'all trying to do a little pre-gaming or something like that, and you just need to hear some loud music, but you're not really trying to bring nothing real heavy. This, if you go into somebody's house and they don't have one, or just anything, it fits in your purse. Oh my god, I love this speaker. It has really good sound quality, which is what I really like. That's what I most importantly was looking for when I was buying this speaker. This I think retailed for $60, but I had got it on sale with a discount, so I think I might have got it for around $40. I'm not 100% sure, but it gets really loud, has really excellent sound quality. I use this a lot for when I was just going on little weekend trips or anywhere where I was just or even at home. I listen to it at home too, but yeah, so I really like this item this year. Okay, we are finally on the last item. I don't have it with me. Sorry guys, but I can insert a picture of it. It is the red cup at Starbucks. So yeah, if you did not get your hands on the red cup at Starbucks, I feel so sorry for you, because that cup, when I tell you it is good quality, heat resistant, like you could put it in the microwave, it's cute, and it was only $2.50. Yeah, so for me, it was just the perfect statement cup because it's red for one. Super cute. I use it every day at work. I have a little sleeve that I kind of put on top of it because it does get a little hot, but yeah, in 2018, even though it was the end of 2018 when they came out, I have not put that cup down. Like every day when I make my coffee, that is what I put it in. I put that with my MCT oil and stuff in there and whatever other little syrups and stuff. And I love it. It's just so awesome. I mean, I did have to stand in line for a really long time to get it, but it really was worth it. Again, the price point was not bad at all. It's good quality. I still have it. It hasn't melted or anything like that. So yeah, so if you can, I don't know if they are still making them or maybe they're making a different variation of it now, but if you can get your hands on one of those cups and you're a coffee drinker, a person that likes to just drink hot beverages in the morning or something like that, I highly suggest it. And in 2018, I really did make some use out of that. Okay, guys, we have neared the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me in this video. I will have one more video up, and it'll probably be up on New Year's Day, just talking about all my goals for 2019. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.